Yeah, Auntie Sue is having renovations done, and I've been brought in to do most of the clearing up, so I've got to shift that and this. I've just shifted the stuff out the front, so it's probably going to be 2 days' work, but at least I'll get some money to send Camel finally send Camel's thank you present to him. So yeah. So and there's roadworks or something going on as well, but that's what I did at the front from the so far. It didn't take me too long, but yeah. And I found something for my dad, maybe for his birthday. I don't know, it looks like a I don't know, a rail or something, or an I-beam or something. But he could put something on there and hammer that, you know. He put something in his forge and everything, and yes, he'd get a kick out of that for his birthday, I reckon, as a side present. But anyway, that's about it for, clear that area there. That's what's already gone in the skip. Apparently this was laid 2 days ago, so it should be firm enough to put the old wheelbarrows over in. But I put these down anyway, just to be on the safe side. So I've got to watch out for these things too, because they're running copper pipes and an inspection port out there, so yeah. Anyway, apparently got a bit of cement dust or something on Auntie Sue's strawberries, and I mentioned that they're bog plants and they're calcium-fused plants basically. They don't like calcium, so I said she ought to wash that off. No, the trouble is she's probably going to wash it off and wash it into the pots. Yeah. Anyway, let's see how we go. Oh, it looks like a rhubarb is, I don't know, fellas. I think it's seen better days. I think it's going dormant. But then again, I should be talking about dormancy and how orchid is and stuff when I get back to my place. Had some interesting developments. Okay, well, over and out for now, I think. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, see ya.